In this video, we will review vertical addition. Example 1, add the following, 23 plus 46. You may remember how we did this question in horizontal addition, but let's try another strategy called vertical addition. And this might be a review from you because this is how most people are adding numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to line up the numbers vertically. So I'm going to write 23 and 46, and they've been stacked one on top of the other, and I'm making sure my ones column is lined up and my tens column is lined up. Next, starting from the right, I'm going to add the numbers that are stacked together. So I've got 3 plus 6 adds to 9, so I'm going to write that underneath, and 2 plus 4, which is in the tens column, adds up to 6. So my final answer for 23 plus 46 is 69. Let's go through one more example. I have a bigger number now, so it's 537 plus 410. So the first thing I'm going to do when I'm adding these two vertically is stacking the numbers. So I'm going to make sure my ones column, my tens column, and my hundreds column is lined up. And it seems like it is. So those are the numbers I will be adding. Next, I'm going to add each column on its own, starting from the right, so starting from the ones column. So 7 ones plus 0 ones gives me 7 ones. 3 tens plus 1 10 gives me 4 tens. And 5 100s plus 4 100s gives me 9 100s. So my final answer for 537 plus 410 is 947. Before I let you do some examples on your own, I'm going to just show you the importance of stacking correctly. So say I had an example where it was 537 plus 41. Okay, now think about this. How would I stack these numbers? So here's my first number, 537, and I know that my second number has to line up. So my ones column has to line up and my tens column has to line up. So the 4, which represents 40, will go under the 3 because that's our tens column, and the 1 will go under the ones column, and then I can add this number together and get an answer. What is incorrect, and I sometimes see this, is when students will go like this. And they'll say, oh, the answer is that. That is not correct. 947 is the answer if it was 410. That's what we had to do. But in this question, it's 537 plus 41. And we have to make sure we are lining up the columns correctly, which means I'm lining up my ones column, my tens column, and my hundreds column. And 41 here is only 4 tens and 1 1. There's nothing in the hundreds column. Okay, so make sure you're stacking everything correctly before doing the question. Good luck with the practice.